class. HexClad hybrid cookware. Hemi hi bel ton na pon sia si asin ka hemi ton to bel ka hemi ton to mi ka scratch law in protect na si jile ina hit terrible. Hemi hi to thar la de ko dar mi se wo brand new ka ma shi lo 12 inches walks. Mi ka sin lo ama lo hi mi bel hi ka na hi mi bel sin ka mang tlang thai tlang thai hi mi chok kok lo hi lon fry na ka mang le na chicken nugget te be mo be ya cho te ke na ka mang le na today hi mi hi 10 inches walk see hi mi hi pung man everyday me kyo na perfect set today mi hi asin to yo mi pan asin pakadam bo mo an set nglai mi si mi pani set khatsrang kan a shanten lai le chu hi mi fry pan le asin a hen zanni le ti se churanga apat ni kalai man zanni de som thum rong long ka chia a shanten le cha khong a set si ma Himi hi fry pan si je arti kya na himi pani je kamang sa everyday arti kya na le na kya na si to himi hi ka seasoning na city thon ka yang lau tar na ka seasoning na himi hi ka tu bek himi te hi ka baby si ka orto
shop for 1/5 the price. Before we proceed further, I apologize for the mess in my kitchen. I haven't had a chance to clean it yet. However, as per the manual, medium to medium, high heat is recommended for the wok. Okay, let's give this wok a sunny side up egg test. Oh well, let's continue with this. So here we have a decent shape for a sunny side up egg. It's not a perfect circle, but perhaps I'll drop the egg more slowly next time. Since it's a brand new wok, I'll use the silicone turner to avoid scratching it. Although there is a warranty for this wok, I don't want to risk messing it up on its first use. As you saw earlier, I didn't use any oil on this. For now, I'll slowly lift the sides and observe how the egg sticks to the wok. Wow, did you see that the entire egg is gliding? Okay, I'm going to try to give it a toss with one hand and see if I can flip the egg. Well, that didn't work for me. However, I must give myself credit for trying. I'm impressed. Good call, Jessica.
This thing's awesome. I cook quite a bit and I've had everything from stainless to cast iron. But I never buy non-stick because of the Teflon is awful. This works amazingly. I love it even more than all my really nice stainless steel. And the fact that it's non-stick and doesn't scratch even with metal utensils is amazing. Oven safe. I really can't say enough good things about HexClad and this wok in particular. I mean, I love cooking up stir fries or all my veggies or even just some scrambled eggs, fried eggs, whatever you want. I seasoned it, but you don't even have to do that. I seasoned it and then, I mean, it's perfect. Everything slides right off. I use a little bit of olive oil and or coconut oil, but even without, it works wonders. So yeah, if you're even curious, you will not regret purchasing these. Any of the HexClad stuff. It's all great.
That's the nonstick. And second, steel on metal. And there's your color. Not bad for an indoor burger.
The video says you can use metal utensils in any HexClad pan, and it's not true. It scratches. False advertisement.
Let me pull it. Look at that. That's amazing. Love it. Okay.